So these people don't have any instruction about where to go and they are not allowing anywhere to go, sir. Yeah, sir. But this is, they should understand the same.
खींच लेना भाई, इन्होंने खींचा अपना खींचा नहीं ऐसे
सर बिगनर सर सर फिंगर सर नॉट वाइट पीछे होगा बाइट बाहर आराम से होगी धीरे धीरे निकल सकता हूँ मत करो
Great privilege to participate in this festival of democracy. Mumbai is India's financial and commercial capital. We are all proud to be Mumbaikars. We see the future of a developed and prosperous nation from the lens of Mumbai's progress and growth. I appeal to every Mumbaikar to exercise their right to vote as a duty towards their beloved city, for good governance, for fast-paced progress, for ensuring the well-being of every resident of Mumbai, and to guarantee India's success on the global stage, which starts from Mumbai. हमारा मताधिकार लोकतंत्र की ताकत है। भारत विकसित बने, समृद्ध बने, ये 140 करोड़ लोगों की भावना और संकल्प है और देश की आर्थिक राजधानी मुंबई से ये विकास यात्रा तेज गति से आगे बढ़ेगी। मुझे विश्वास है हर मुंबईकर अपनी जिम्मेदारी का एहसास समझते हुए आज समझदारी से अपना वोट डालेंगे। हर मुंबईकर इस जिम्मेदारी को निभाते हुए देश को समृद्ध और विकसित बनाने की गति को, विकास की गति को, सुशासन मुंबई में लाने के लिए अच्छे उम्मीदवारों को चुनकर मुंबई के भविष्य को भी उज्जवल बनाएंगे।
सर, मुंबई में सत्ता पलटेगी आखिरकार?
मुंबईकर बड़े समझदार हैं और सोच समझकर मुंबई के हितों के लिए, मुंबई के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए, मुंबई के समन्वय और समाज के हर वर्ग को साथ लेकर चलने की जो ताकत है उसको सामने नजर रखते हुए हर मुंबईकर, हर समाज का व्यक्ति मुंबई को प्रथम देखेगा, मुंबई के भविष्य को प्रथम देखेगा और उसमें निहित है कि हमारे यहाँ के लोग, और उसमें मैं भी शामिल हूँ, मैं भी उतना ही मराठी हूँ जितना हम सब आप सब हैं और मुझे विश्वास है कि ये मराठी मानुस का चुनाव यानी मुंबईकर का चुनाव है।
Sir, how you are confident to your party will record win in this?
Mumbaikars are extremely smart people. No wonder the city shows the way to the world. In fact, even in a conversation with Mr. Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, he expressed a desire to be a part of the growth story of Mumbai. And I remember his words when he said, the sound of Giga City, Mumbai, the Giga City, is very exciting. Basically, this is the number one destination for anybody within the country from across the continents who are looking for progress and prosperity. And a good, well-run municipal corporation will help us in ensuring that this city remains the best city in the country.
So what is it that will take to make this a giga city? What is it? Just
Good
the
governance, fast-paced growth of infrastructure, and a decisive leadership that cares for inclusive and sustainable growth.
Sir, we are in South Mumbai and voting percentage have always been low in South Mumbai traditionally. So how would you appeal people to come and vote in large numbers?
South Mumbai also will vote in large numbers. I have the confidence in my brothers and sisters of South Mumbai. They are very responsible. They understand the power of their vote, and they understand very well that a few minutes invested in casting their vote will give them returns for the next 5 years. And since we all know Mumbai is a very smart city, the smart Mumbaikars will ensure that such a good return on investment, few minutes to cast your vote, 5 years of good governance and service by your elected representatives, no Mumbaikar will let his vote go wasted.
So the aspirations of Mumbaikars will be fulfilled by...
Of course, we have very good potential for the city of Mumbai, and I'm sure our Mumbaikars, just like they have voted smartly in the elections around the state of Maharashtra, in the local body elections, just like they have voted intelligently in the state assembly elections, will certainly not let the city of Mumbai down.
VK News, राष्ट्र के नाम।